here to this one, and I'm gonna pick it so it's in here. Oh my gosh. What's going on, crew? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Priscilla. And I'm Abby. You may be wondering what the heck is behind us. Where are our pictures? Where is our lava?
Where are our cactuses?
Why are there boxes behind us? Well, we have great news for you guys. Today we'll be doing the mystery memory match slime challenge. Well, you may be wondering, what is that? Well, all of these boxes contain slime ingredients. And on one of our turns, we opened 2 boxes. And if both of the slime ingredients that we opened are in the box, if they match, then we take it. But if they don't match, we have to put it back and it's the next person's turn. You got this, brain. Let's do this. And before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button to be a part of the crew. So let's get started. Okay, so it's round 1, rock, paper, scissors. The winner picks first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so I picked 2 boxes. What you gonna pick? This one. Ooh, foaming! Let's see what I'm gonna pick. This one. Okay, let's see what this. Pink glue! No match! No match! So I did not get anything. Priscilla, now it's your turn to pick. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for one of the top ones. Maybe this one, right here. I can't see. The short life, people. The short life. Oh! I got some blue glitter! Glitter? Okay, now, which one? I think I'm gonna go for the one underneath it. Purple glue, I didn't get a match! Dang it. Oh my gosh, so I didn't get a match also.
Great.
So it's round 2, and none of us got anything for round 1, so hopefully this round changes. So I wanna choose this one. Again? Oh. you chose the foam balls again. I want this one. Right up top? Okay. Blue glue. I know. I think we're gonna win. She's gonna win. Yeah, a glitter. I remember. I am really good at remembering stuff. Seriously, myself? Why? So it's my turn, and I know which one to pick. Let's do this. Okay, so Maddie picked this one, which is blue glitter, and I picked this one, and they're right next to each other. Oh my gosh! I love this color so much too. This is so pretty. She has glitter. It's fine glitter, my favorite glitter. Oh my gosh. She has glitter. Do you know how important that means to me? Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in my bowl. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love this glitter. So it's round 3, and I'm gonna choose my 2 boxes. This is always so hard. I'm gonna choose this one. Purple. Oh, purple. Okay, so I got some purple glue. Let's see if I get the match. Which one are you gonna pick? Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. What is it? Pink glitter! Pink glitter and purple glue. Okay, that's not a match. I'm sorry, Maddie, that's not a match. This is harder than I expected. Okay, so now it's my turn, and I want, this one. Pink glue? Oh, I know what the other one is. This one. No. I got it. I'm so good at remembering. Like, where is it again? I got the pink glue. I got the pink glue. I can't believe it. I got 2 ingredients. Maddie has 0. Is she gonna make slime? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks really pretty with this blue glitter too. The pink one looks so good with the blue glitter. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I can't believe it. Why my brain is so... Why isn't it thinking more? Next pink glue. Da-da-da. I'm so happy. I'm really good at this memory game. So moving on to round 4, and I still have nothing. I don't have anything. Hopefully I get something. So I'm gonna pick this one. What is it? Blue! Glue! So that one's blue, so which one else should I pick? I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, what'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Wait, what? No! She's gonna get the glue! I thought the foam ball was located there. Okay, now I don't remember what the blue glue is because I was so excited. I forgot if it was this one or this one. This one? Oh, that was yellow. Now I think Maddie knows what blue glue is. Yes, I do. I'm at least gonna get blue. Round 5. I'm gonna choose 2 boxes. Where was the blue again? Oh, right here. Yes, blue. Okay. And then blue. You're sure? She got it right. Her first item. She just got her first item. Finally, I got glue. Finally, I got something. I should be thanking my brain. Or me, because I was the one that found the other one. Yeah, sure. No, my brain did. Oh my god. This is so pretty. So Maddie may have gotten a point, but I'm still in the lead. So now I'm gonna choose 2 boxes. This one, I'm just gonna go start a new start. Pink glitter! And stop pointing! Think this one. Really? I thought yellow glue. Well, now I know where the yellow glue is. Thanks, guys. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the pink glitter. So I'm gonna open this one, which is the pink glitter, obviously. Pink glitter, and then up here. I think it's up here. Got it, I think. Yeah! I just want to understand right now. That looks so gorgeous. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna choose, and there is starting to get more or less boxes. So, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, purple glue! I remember now. Where's the other one? I don't think we opened the other one. So I think I'm just gonna take a wild guess and go with. This is so scary. I'm gonna pick this one. It's purple glue. No! I picked this like a random one. I didn't actually know that. Oh my gosh! I did it. I did it. I did it. Whoa! I just realized she has unicorn colors. Yes! Woohoo! I am so happy right now. That was a wild guess. I didn't even know. I'm feeling really lucky. So round 7, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes left. And I'm gonna choose 2. Yeah, this should be getting easier now. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Bombers! Okay. So we already picked the other box for that, so it should be right there. Yeah, we did. I remember. Oh. So I got these new colorful foam balls. Look at them. They're very pastel-like. These are so cute. We both got 3 points. And there's only 4 more boxes left. What if we end up in a tie? What's gonna happen? You guys have to comment down below who has the better slime. Okay, so now it's my turn to shine, and I'm gonna choose 2 of these boxes. And right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes left. That means 400 minutes. Anyway, so what am I gonna pick? I think I'm gonna pick this one. Yo, okay, I remember. I'm trying to remember. My mind is starting to remember. So I'm gonna go over here to this one, and I'm gonna pick it to what's in here. Silver glitter glue. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's round 8, and there's still 4 more boxes left, and I'm gonna pick 2. I'm gonna pick this one. This bottom one. Wait, what? Oh my god! She got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Yes! Let's put this pretty yellow color in. Whoa! So now it's my turn to get that last ingredient. So it's this one. Silver glitter? I did not know that. I think now it's this one. What? Is this some type of joke? Nothing? It's actually right here.
No, that's empty.
Are you sure?
Look, it's empty. Obviously, look it, it's empty.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh, I got it!
We all know who has the best memory here. Me.
Now it's time to put Romeo and Juliet in.
They're dead.
Oh, you're
They're getting buried in glitter.
I'm sorry, no, they're not.
They're getting buried in glitter.
Do you know what Romeo and Juliet is?
Yeah, they're dogs. Okay, Jake Powers, let's mix.
Look at it, it's so cool! Oh my gosh, it's like a dark purple color, but I love how all the blue glitter shines out. Shines bright like a diamond.
Okay, so now let's mix my crew. 3, 2, 1. But first, comment down below what color it will turn out. 3, 2, 1, go!
I think green.
Yup, definitely a green. Like the foam balls.
Guys, I think this is like the best I've ever made. Look it. It's definitely my top favorite. I love how the purple is mixed with the blue. It's beautiful. So we're gonna activate this with the power of our minds. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it turned out so fantastic. They're gorgeous.
I love this so much. Whoa, look, this is a cool sand color. It reminds me of the beach. And like the foam balls are the seats and the umbrellas.
Or they could be the beach
So
balls.
amazing.
Come here. Come here. Now come closer. Now go down. Look how gorgeous that is. This is so glossy. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of like the galaxy. It is so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And today's shout goes to Layla
And Girly Gamer.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to shout out Merger, hit the bell button and comment down below.